Hi guys! Welcome back to a new video. My name is Alice and welcome to my channel. And yes, today's video is going to be an unboxing video from BLK Cosmetics. Oh yes, I'm so excited for this. And I'm so sorry my background is very messy and kind of looks weird, but please, spare me the agony in the comment section. Wala lang po talaga akong space ngayon to film, but I'm just so excited to film this unboxing video. So if you guys are interested to know what I got from BLK Cosmetics, keep on watching. Okay guys, so totoo lang, mahilig ako sa makeup, but I rarely buy makeup. And I am very, 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 very thankful to BLK Cosmetics for sending these over. And, you know, I'm just really surprised. I got a total of 4 items. So, yes, that's all. This is everything. And if you guys are noticing, why am I looking at the side? Because I have a monitor beside me while I'm filming this. So, I'm kind of like, am I still on frame? Okay, so, let's start with the biggest one. I believe this is a, this is a limited edition mirror from BLK Cosmetics, and this is from their K-Beauty line. And okay, I know that when you buy like a certain amount from their BLK store in Trinoma, which I live nearby, you get this. So this is the mirror, and it's so cute. You know, it has like BLK and stuff, and it has like the word, I think this is I love you in Hangul. I kind of know a little bit about Hangul. And then it has the heart sign, the BLK Cosmetics. It has a lipstick, a liquid lip, and something here. I think this is the BB and CC cream, which I also got a BB and CC stick. It's this one. So, medyo excited ako para dito kasi I'm more of a BB and CC cream kind of girl instead of a foundation kind of girl. So, I am excited to try this out. Again, all the products that I will be featuring here will be in a subsequent video that is a first impression. So, ito unboxing lang talaga. So, I'm not gonna provide like swatches or try-ons. Sa next video na yun, mga ate ha. So, ngayon, papakita ko lang yung nakuha ko. And the shade that I got, by the way, from this one, the BB and CC stick, is the shade Ivory Beige. I don't know if this is my shade. Let's just hope and pray this is my shade. But yeah, I got that one. Next product I got is the long-lasting matte lipstick, or long-lasting liquid matte lipstick. And this is in the shade Sweetheart. Okay, alam niyo guys, nung unang lumabas ng shade na to, this is not a K-Beauty shade, I know. This is a limited edition Valentine's collection. I am so happy for this. Okay, I'm not kidding guys. Nung lumabas tong collection na to, alam ko dalawa or tatlo ata yung shade nito. I was going from one BLK area to another just to look for the shade Sweetheart. Like, I am so curious about it. I remember I saw Ann Curtis wearing this shade on one of her posts on Instagram na parang sabi ko, I wanted that. Gusto ko yung shade na yan. I believe this is only a limited edition, so I am so thankful BLK Cosmetics gave this to me. I will wear this a lot. This is a liquid lip, so I'm like, thank you so much. Like, I am so happy for this. I'm not kidding you guys. I am so happy for this. Next on the stuff that I got, I think this is the last one. Yeah, this is the very last one, which is weird. This is their Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow. Ayan. Ay, hindi siya kita. And this is in the shade I Love You or Saranghe. Okay, so it kind of looks like this. It looks like an eyeliner, if I'm not mistaken. And siya, maliit lang siya. And it says here, make an effortless Make an effortless statement with this molten eyeshadow that comes in pearly and matte neutrals, which are eye staples in Korea. That's true. The lightweight formula glides seamlessly on the lids and dries down to a smooth, budge-proof finish. Minimum effort, maximum impact. I'm excited to try this out. On the next video that you will be seeing, I will be wearing only this and some eyeliner and then the other stuff that I got here, and I'm so excited. I'm just like really excited for this. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. I know I am like really hyper in this video, and I'm sorry for the background. If you guys are interested with this background, or if you want to see like a better background, I will try my best to do that. But for now, let's just settle with this one, okay? Kasi excited na talaga akong ipakita lang sa inyo yung mga items. Of course, don't forget to comment below if you have any suggestions, and of course, if you have anything to say, any request, anything you want to say, go to the comment section, like this video, share it to your friends. And I know this is going to be something that I always say, but don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, with that being said, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. We are going to be 1,000 subscribers. We're going to be reaching that milestone together soon, and I'm gonna have a giveaway soon. I hope you guys are still with me. I've been on YouTube for 8 years, and I'm just really thankful that like brands like BLK Cosmetics is giving me a chance to showcase you their products. And pag naka 1K tayo, magpapag-giveaway si Mayora. And with that being said, I have to go. Yeah, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Okay, bye. Mwah.